Hi, my name is Victor, and if you follow me, you probably know that some time ago I made this book, 27 tips and tricks for high efficiency in Revit, and I have a blog post about it. Feel free to check it out. The link is going to be in the description. And now the book is for free. So if you go to downloads, tips and tricks book, you can read what's exactly in that book. And here you can download it. And if you really appreciate the content, I've put this donate button, so you can use PayPal to donate something if you really find value in the book. And what I decided to do now is to actually review some of the tips and tricks in the book on my YouTube channel. So if I open the book, today I'm going to review some of the array things that I've put here. Like I have two different tips for the arrays. I'm going to concentrate on the first one, copying and mirroring array. And before we get to that, consider subscribing to my channel. This will help me create more content. And if you like the video, hit on the like button. If you don't like it, hit on the other button, it works as well. So here I have an array in Revit, and actually I'm going to start from the beginning. Like I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to press CM on my keyboard to use this family. Actually I'm going to use just a normal chair, and I'm going to press AR or hit array here in the ribbon menu. And there are two types of array, as you probably know: radio, linear, and radio array. Group and associate is a tick box that it is checked by default, and this makes a parametric array, and it's set to move to second. Actually, if you uncheck group and associate, the array you're going to create, it's not going to be parametric. It's going to be just like copying. See, like let's do it again. Group and array number 10. We got 10 copies, but they are not in groups. It's not parametric. You can use this just like a regular array in AutoCAD or some other software. But the cool thing is in Revit is actually that option, group and associate, because now we have this parametric array. So how does it work? You probably know that. Like you just put a number here, 7, 12. And as you see now, it's actually adding elements to the end and keeping the distance because we used move to second. Or if we put a lesser number here, it is removing elements from the end, from this side, but it's keeping the same distance. And you can control that. When you select this, the actual array line, you have this option, append to end. And if we uncheck that and now press 7, it's going to keep the position of the first and the last element, and it's going to change, it's going to distribute all the 7 elements at equal distances in between those 2 elements, like this, or like this, or like this. So this is really useful, and you can change it at all time. You can press append to end again and add more. Then you can turn it off and increase the distance. Okay, so far so good. But let's say we want to copy this array. So I just copy it, and everything works as usual. I still have the same array group 1, but I can control this number here, and I have no control whatsoever with this. The same with mirroring. So how to do this? It's actually really easy. We must select not only the elements but also that line. So as you can see, when we hover on top of it, it's highlighted. So I just control select it, and now I can copy it. I can also mirror it, and it keeps the parametric array. As you saw, when it is mirrored, it's changing the direction. So here the end is the right side, but here the end is the left side. Which is actually, it works as expected. There is actually a video I want to do just about mirroring and what we should mirror and what we should not mirror in Revit, but this is going to be for another video really. And the same thing works, of course, for radio arrays, and I'm going to create another video especially for radio arrays. It's going to be the second chapter, controlling a parametric array. It is actually focused on radio arrays and how to control each and every parameter of a radio array. But that's it for now. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked this video. See you next time.